Hey guys, here we are. Look around. We are in southern Utah. Sign over here says Toadstools Trailhead. We're gonna go up to what they call hoodoos. We're gonna go up, check them out. And it's a really short hike. I think it's 1.7 miles round trip. So quite a few people here, and we'll see what's going on. Hey guys, that was a fast hike. So it's probably just a half mile to get up here and half mile to get back. A harder surface on top and a softer surface on the bottom. That's pretty much all it is. Really simple, really scenic. Pretty cool. Just the backdrop almost to the parking lot, and found a little faster path. Most people take the wash down here. A little sandy, a little windy, but guaranteed to not get lost. Up here where I'm at right now, you can see it's a little easier to hike. Alright guys, that does it. Quick and easy hike. We're almost back to the parking lot. Perfect timing because the light is going out.
I guess something inside my soul